Welcome back to the trials and tribulations of us finding internet on the road. If you missed us trying out Starlink, go back and check out those two videos. This time, we're going to be trying something new, thanks to our friend Tony. Tony got a new camper. He has a Netgear unit mounted on top. So what he was using, he didn't need anymore, and he graciously allowed us to borrow it. It is a Netgear Nighthawk MR1100. It takes a SIM card, it's a mobile hotspot, it's a booster. And what will happen is it'll boost your signal and it'll work like a hotspot on your phone, but stronger. We had an extra SIM card laying around, so we said, thank you very much, we'll gladly try that. The problem turns up, the SIM card we have is voice only, which means it will not work on this hotspot. We have T-Mobile cell phones. I went to T-Mobile. They informed me that for $35 to add a new line, we can get a data plan for $65 a month, which will give us 50 gigs of data to use through the hotspot on this unit. Another option, if we wanted to add their hotspot, they have a MiFi hotspot. It's $360 something and change with tax. She said it comes to about $400. $35 to activate it, and it's $50 a month. There's a promotion that they're running right now. You get 100 gigs of data per use per month. So you have a $400 upfront cost, $35 activation cost, and then $50 a month fee to use 100 gigs of data. That seems expensive to test it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try Tony's Netgear. Thanks again, Tony. We're gonna pay the $35 to activate it. We're gonna pay the $65 for the month and see how that works. We're gonna be camping in a week from today. So stay tuned for 2 weeks from now when we're gonna be back from Woodstream, and we'll let you know how the mobile hotspot works where we are. One of our Facebook group friends let us know that where we're gonna be camping does not have internet service, cell phone service. So we need to give this a try because Amy does need to work while we're there. We're gonna be sneaking out a day early for a Friday. I get to enjoy camp. She's gonna have to work. So we're exploring every option so we can find out how it works for future trips. So definitely stay tuned. Give us a comment below if you have something that works for you. I'd love to know what it is, how much it costs, what you get. Let us know because we're fumbling around here with different options. So give us a comment below, subscribe, and above all else, happy camping.